Welcome, Super Spark scientists. Have you ever tried sneezing with your eyes open? Maybe you've heard it's impossible, or even that your eyeballs might pop out. Yikes, don't worry, that's just a silly myth. But what is the truth behind this sneezy mystery? Grab a tissue in your curiosity because we're diving nose first into the weird and wonderful world of sneezing. So here's the big sniffly question. Why can't you sneeze with your eyes open? Try it right now. Okay, maybe not if you're in a library. You'll notice that even when you try really, really hard, your eyes slam shut like two little curtains. This happens automatically, even if you really want to see what your sneeze face looks like. The reason lies in a super cool thing called a reflex. A reflex is your body's way of reacting to something quickly, like how your hand pulls away from something hot. When your nose gets irritated by dust, pepper, or something tickly, your body activates the sneeze reflex. It's like your nose calls a meeting. All systems ready, we're about to launch. And launch it does. A sneeze can blast air out of your nose and mouth at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah on roller skates. Your chest, diaphragm, throat, mouth, and, yep, your eyes are all involved. Everything tightens up and prepares to blast that irritant out of there. Now, your eyes close during a sneeze as part of this reflex. But why? Well, scientists believe it's a way for your body to protect your eyes from germs and particles that might go flying during the big ah-choo. Imagine all that sneeze mist landing in your eyeballs. No thank you. Okay, let's bust a big myth right here. You won't shoot your eyeballs across the room if you sneeze with your eyes open. There's no button in your body labeled Launch Eyeballs Now. Your eyes are held in place by strong muscles and optic nerves. So rest easy. No one's going to have a surprise game of eyeball ping pong. Even though it's possible for a few people to sneeze with their eyes open, with a lot of practice, it's really tricky. That's because the nerves that control blinking and the sneeze reflex are closely connected. They're like best friends who always show up to the party together. When the sneeze comes, the blink is already RSVP'd. This whole operation is run by your brainstem, the behind-the-scenes director of many of your body's automatic functions. It tells your lungs to puff up, your diaphragm to contract, your throat to open, and yes, your eyes to shut tight. It's like a super organized sneeze orchestra. Who else does this? Ever seen a cat or a puppy sneeze? Their eyes close too. That's right. Many animals also shut their eyes when sneezing. It's not just a human thing. That means it's likely a natural protection method for all kinds of creatures, big and small. Imagine a sneezing elephant. Boom! Let's get a little gross and a lot awesome. Do you know a single sneeze can spray 40,000 droplets into the air? Yuck! That's why we cover our noses and mouths when we sneeze, to stop our inner sprinkler system from sharing too much. But hey, your sneeze is doing its job, kicking out those invaders. Doctors say you should never hold in a sneeze. Trying to block a sneeze can cause pressure to build up in your head, and that's no fun. Some people have even injured themselves doing that. Let it fly. Into a tissue, please. Sneeze power is meant to be unleashed. Did you know some people sneeze when they walk into bright light? It's called the photic sneeze reflex. Weird, right? Others sneeze after eating chocolate or when they pluck their eyebrows. Science is full of sneeze surprises. Sneezing is just one of the many ways your body keeps itself clean. Along with coughing, blinking, and even tears, it's part of your body's 24/7 cleanup team. And let's be honest, sneezing might be the loudest member of that crew. Some people sneeze like a hurricane, and others are like tiny kittens. Ah-choo! Sneezes come in all styles, and they're all perfectly normal. Your sneeze depends on your lung power, your nose shape, and your unique sneeze reflex. It's like a sneeze fingerprint. Let's remember our sneeze manners. Always cover your mouth and nose. Use a tissue or elbow, and wash your hands after. Sneeze with science and kindness. So the next time someone says your eyes might pop out if you sneeze with them open, you can say, actually, that's just a myth. And here's the science. Sneezing is one of your body's coolest defense tricks. So sneeze proud, sneeze smart, and keep your curiosity flowing. And hey, if you like this sneezy science tale, you'll love our other episodes, like Why You Hand See in Dark or How Plant Grow. Subscribe to Super Spark Science and join the fun. Until next time, a chew. I mean, goodbye.